I'm so excited. I just received my indoor grill. This is the electric cord and how it's packaged when I receive it. Pretty ugly, don't you think? Now we've got the cord with a tie tag on it. How am I ever going to get this back together again? It's so hard to undo the tie. So there you go. There's the cord. But now I'm going to want to put it away after I'm finished grilling. So I'm going to fold the cord up nice and neatly into a nice flat bundle. I'm going to hold it together, and I'm going to open my tidy cords, cord management sleeve, and I'm going to slip it over the end very easily, and it will stay nice and compact, tangle-free every time I want to use it. Tidy cords, cord management sleeve.